So, Marco, how'd you get your hiccups?
Get rid of them.
How did you get them?
How do I get them? In this case, because of a stupid croissant.
A what?
A stupid croissant.
Crescent? Oh, croissant?
Croissant.
What was in the croissant?
Chocolate.
Oh.
Of course, chocolate.
And now you're gonna have hiccups all night.
And I won't sleep all night, and I won't make you sleep all night.
Oh.
Isn't it nice?
We'll just have to find other things to do then.
And we can spend the time in other ways. Playing chess, knitting, other stuff.